All right, welcome back, guys. We're working on a 2021 Ram, I think. But this video is going to fit you for the 2019 up to 2024 Ram trucks for the cabin air filter. So I started doing this and I thought, you know what, I better just take a quick video. So they got this old one already out because it was plugged up, and so they took it out to get some airflow. But to find this cabin air filter, you're just going to open the glove box. There's going to be this little piece right here. You just push it down, then pop it out. Sometimes it takes more hands than I have, like that. Then there's just going to be a tab right up here on each side that you'll pry in to pop this the rest of the way down. I'll see if I can do it without knocking you over. Like that. So you don't have to take it all the way off, but this one's already coming loose down here, so that pops out. And if you look up in here, that's where your cabin air filter goes. It's gonna have a cap on it like this that they already had off, and then what you'll do is you'll just take your new filter and it'll say on it which way the airflow goes. This is the old one, but if the airflow goes down, you'll shove it in just like that, snap the cap back over the top of it, and put it back together the way you took it apart. Super simple. This one, the CarQuest part number is a 90206P, but they might be a little bit different depending on the year. So this should be pretty much how they are though for the 2019 to 2024 Ram trucks. So hopefully this helps you out.